Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve print function challenge. This is the question title. So let's start. So in this, we have to print numbers as a string. So let's directly jump to the sample input and output. Okay. Print the list of integers from 1 through n as a string without space. For example, user will enter 3, then we have to print 1, 2, 3 as a string, guys. Okay. So let's try to solve here in the VS Code first. We will be creating one function, let's say display numbers. This is my function I'm going to create, which will accept one num as a parameter. Okay. So this will print num, okay, as it is. As of now, I will write it like this. So I'm going to call the display numbers and I will pass here 5. So what will be the output of this? If I execute this, I'm getting 5 over here. But they don't want 5. If user will enter 5, it should print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If user will enter 10, it should print 1 to 10. Like that, they want the code. So I'll just save this. I'll re-execute it. See, only the last limit, means the number as it is getting printed here, the upper limit. But I need from 1 to 10. So if you want to iterate from 1 to 10, we have to make use of for loop. So for I, control variable in range. Okay. So we want to print the numbers from 1. So start is 1 until num, whatever user will pass inside num. So user will pass 10, 20, it depends. And we have to print this I. Print this I. So if I save this code, let's re-execute it. See, I'm getting 1 to 9 numbers. So it is not including 10 because your range, your for loop with the range will always iterate end minus 1. So if end is 10, it will go until 9. Okay. So here we have to write num plus 1. Okay. Start from 1. Then it will consider the upper limit 10 as well. Okay. So again, we'll just clear this and we'll re-execute. So it is printing the numbers from 1 to 10. If user will pass 5 over here, let's see the output. We'll save the code. I'll clear this. We'll re-execute. See 1 to 5 I'm getting. But they don't want on new line. They want it in one single line, all the numbers. So the end parameter should be nothing. Means space also should not be present, guys. Nothing should be present. Okay. Between two numbers, nothing should be present. So now if I execute C, I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I enter over here, let's say 3 is present. So 1, 2, 3 numbers it has to display. See 1, 2, 3. If I enter over here 6, so it should display the numbers from 1 to 6. See 1 to 6. So this is what as a logic you have to write it over there. So let's write it. And so I will write for I in range. It should start from 1, go until not n but n plus 1. Upper limit also they want. So print whatever is coming in I and the end parameter should be set with nothing. Okay. That's all. So now if I run the code, this is your output. We'll submit the code. Okay. So you should have clarity about range function, guys. If you don't know what is this range function, please learn what is range function, how it works, and then continue over here. Okay. So you just solved all the introduction challenges in Python, means basics we have covered, guys. Okay. So from the next video onwards, we'll start with next question. Okay. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day to all.